Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the anchor and bit. Start now. Measure screw length so the anchor sits fully embedded and the threaded part reaches your fixture. Once marked, drill straight into the substrate at steady speed. Do not wobble. Stop at the planned depth and withdraw the bit slowly. Make sure to remove all dust using a vacuum or blow out with compressed air so the anchor grips metal or concrete tightly. This prevents loose seating and uneven expansion when you insert the screw. You'll now set the anchor. Gently tap the metal expansion sleeve into the cleaned hole until it is flush with the surface. Position your fixture and start turning the screw by hand to align threads, then switch to a socket or driver. Tighten slowly so the sleeve expands uniformly against the hole walls. You'll feel growing resistance as the anchor compresses and locks. Make sure not to over-torque. A steady, controlled turn secures the load without deforming the sleeve. Finish by inspecting the installed screw and fixture. Ensure there's no gap and the part is tight against the surface. Once done, apply a light test load to confirm the anchor holds, then return and torque to recommended spec if it's settled. If the anchor spins or won't grip, don't force more torque. Stop and remove it. Make sure to drill to the next correct diameter or use a suitable adhesive like epoxy before reinstalling, because that corrects poor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.